Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is an absolutely perfect way to keep your pool nice and sparkling clean. So this was sent over by a company called iGarden, and it is a robotic pool cleaner. This thing does an absolute great job, and so we're going to cover all the features here in the video. Now naturally, when you open it up, you are going to get a user manual that tells you all about it. You're also going to get a quick start guide that kind of goes over the things that just get it up and running right away. Now you're actually going to get a nice power cord, which is going to allow you to charge up the battery of the robot, which is right here in the front side, or the back side, I should say. Give you an idea of battery life on this thing. If you are just doing about just the bottom of the pool, you're gonna get about 6 hours of use. Now, if you're doing the walls and the bottom, then you're gonna get about 3.5 hours. So it depends on your mode that you're selecting, because this does have several modes when utilizing it. One charge, you can go ahead and just have it. I like to just charge it up after every use, but you can use it multiple times before charging up, because it runs for about an hour before you have to charge it up again. Now, final thing, you are going to get this little hook thing. This is what's going to attach to your pool pole, that one that you use kind of to brush your pool, and it's going to make it a little bit easier to go ahead and grip and pull out the robot out of the water. There is a nice little handle right here on the side that's going to allow you to go ahead and grip this. But let's go ahead and cover here the robot itself. So as you can see, it's very, very sleek looking. You're going to have these nice rubber belts on either side with these wheels. You have a nice big propeller fan here on the back side, and then you're also going to have these little rubber doors that's going to allow it to move the air and kind of navigate itself. One of the nice things about this pool robot is it cleans your pool in an S pattern. It's not a random pattern to where it's just bouncing around, because if it does that, you're gonna miss areas. This has got a nice full S pattern coverage, which is absolutely great for making sure it gets all the various spots. Now, as I mentioned, it has those multiple modes. So if you're just wanting to, let's say you had a storm come in and there's just a lot of debris on the bottom of your pool, you can do the bottom mode only, to where it will just go ahead and clean the bottom section, or you can choose to do bottom and wall. It will clean up all the way up to the tile line. One of the things you're gonna notice on the front of it, it's got these two nice thick rubber kind of brushing wheels. This is going to make sure to get any algae or anything growing up on that tile line, gets it all nice and clean, which is a great aspect of it as well. And then you're going to see it's got these two little radars in the front, which is using how it's navigating your pool is via these nice little sensors. Right on side of the handle is going to be where the touchscreen operation controls are, where you can select those modes. However, it's very easy to go ahead and utilize their app. Just make sure you connect to your robot via the app before you put it in the water, because once you put it in the water, it kind of breaks that signal. So just make sure you do that. And then also, once you start it up, you're going to want to have it in the water within 3 minutes. Otherwise, it will automatically shut down because it keeps the motor from getting burned out. So if you set it and then you walked away and you're wondering why it's not running, that's probably why. Now, as far as that collection bin, this thing has a massive collection bin. It is sitting at about 4 liters. Very, very easy to go ahead and clean. There's a little part right behind the logo, just pull straight up, and then you can see it's got a nice screen around here to go ahead and collect all the dust in the silt. It has a nice wide open section here. It's going to be easy to pick up leaves. It's going to easily be able to get sand, dirt, like I said, that silt, twigs. As long as they're able to fit in here, it's going to be able to collect. And this is a 4-liter basket, so it's very, very easy to use. And then to clean it out, it has this big door. Just go ahead and open this up, and then you can easily dump it and then hose it off as you need. Then go ahead and close it, and then slide it right back into position, and you are good to go again. So as far as other features features that this thing has. If you do utilize the app, how I typically use it is I just throw it in the pool and let it do its thing. But it does have a timer option if you wish to go ahead and use the timer option. If you're looking to set it up on a schedule, you can do that as well. And then if you wish to do like a turbo mode, maybe you're getting ready to have company over and you just want to do a quick clean, you can go ahead and throw it in that turbo mode to let it do its thing. But overall, if you're looking for a nice little pool robot that can go up the walls and do a full service of your pool, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.